Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and assembling documents. This saves time and prevents rejections. Start the online application or download the lender form, enter your legal name, business details, and requested amount, then upload ID and 3 months of bank statements. Make sure to choose loan tenure and indicate whether you offer collateral. Once done, review for accuracy and submit early to receive an initial eligibility response. This initiates underwriting and speeds the next steps. You'll now enter underwriting where verifications and credit checks happen. This is the complex middle stage. Provide clear cash flow explanations, upload invoices or receivables aging, and authorize bank statement analysis. Make sure to answer lender queries within 24-48 hours to avoid delays. While underwriting runs, compare the conditional offer. Note APRA, origination fees, prepayment penalties, and covenants. Once comfortable, negotiate terms. Faster negotiation leads to quicker approval, and you finalize by signing the loan agreement and confirming the disbursement account. This releases funds within the stated timeframe. Make sure to set up automatic repayments, note due dates, and keep digital copies of the contract and compliance documents. If funds aren't received, contact the lender immediately and provide transaction references. If your application is declined, ask for specific reasons, fix documentation or credit issues, and reapply or shop other lenders. Appeal with updated financials to increase approval chances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.